guys, good morning. Welcome back to another Christmas vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing part 2 of my Christmas cleaning. I'm gonna be doing my room and my bathroom, and I just want to take you guys along this cleaning journey with me. So yeah, if you're new on my channel, hit that red subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my uploads. All right, I don't even eat breakfast as yet. It's early in the morning and I decided to just get up and clean. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my bathroom and then head in my room. This is what I'm gonna be using for, these are all the items that I'm gonna be using today. Some of these are Dollar Tree items, some are from Walmart. So this is a lot of, mix up, yeah. And I have my Windex and my furniture polish here. So I'm just gonna spray the bathroom and then head into the room. So guys, before I clean my bathroom, I like to just go ahead and spritz the entire thing with the cleaner, and I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my shower curtain, my bath, and my toilet bowl. So while I am cleaning my room, the cleaner can get to do its job, and it's much easier for me when I come back. I can just wipe and go. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then head into my room. So now that I'm in my room, the first thing I'll do is strip down the bed, and then I will polish all the furnitures. So if you guys have watched my previous cleaning video, this is just a little hack that I do. I just put a sock on my hand and use it to just polish the furniture, and things just go faster and much easier. So while I'm cleaning, guys, I was watching someone's video and their background music was a whole vibe, and I was so enjoying it. I know there's a lot of people that loves to watch cleaning videos, so if you came here for the cleaning and it's your first time on my channel, please just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, okay? And I do have a lot of other cleaning videos that you guys can go and check out. And Also, to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much for always coming back. And if you haven't hit that thumbs up button as yet, what are you guys waiting on? Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Don't just watch and leave, okay? And hit the share button if you can. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to enjoy the cleaning. So now I'm just going to proceed to cleaning my windows, and again I'm using my toilet paper wrappers and they do a great job in cleaning. And then I am going to vacuum my floor and move straight into adding my curtains and my comforter. So guys, after hanging up my curtains, I feel like I need 2 more pieces of red on each side. Let me know what you think, like one on the left, one on the right. Let me know what you guys think. I think it would give it a more pleated and more uniformed look. Let me know in the comment section, okay? So since I'm obviously going with red and black, I am going to add that red vase right there. I'm also going to add 2 candles on the end, but I'm still not sure how I feel about them, but I'm going to leave them there for right now until I figure out something different. And I picked up these flowers in Hobby Lobby, and yeah, I was too lazy to go get the scissors to cut them, so I just bend them and push them in the vase. And I'm also gonna add another red Christmas like flowers in there as well, just to give it a little touch of Christmas. So yeah, let me know what you think. So I have this little bear that says Merry Christmas, and I'm just gonna add him right there. And yeah, I obviously don't like a lot of stuff on my dresser. I like to have it clear and easy to clean. So I'm just going in with my 2 wedding photos on each side, and that's it. Now moving on to the cleaning of the bathroom. I hope you guys are still here with me. Don't go away, guys. Just stick around. The video is gonna be over soon. I'm just gonna quickly clean the bathroom, and then I will just add a few Christmas decor in there as well. After scrubbing the inside of my toilet, I just like to use Lysol wipes to wipe it down because I already sprayed it down with my cleaner. So I'm just gonna wipe it down and dispose of each piece of wipes. As opposed to using rag and possible transferring germs, this is just much easier. So to finish off my cleaning, I'm just gonna go in and clean my skirting boards after I'm done with my bath, and then go straight into wiping the floor, and then I will just decorate, do a quick decorate and end the video. I promise you it's coming to an end. So these are some kitchen drapes that I bought in Walmart to add to my shower curtain. I wanted a more pleated look, but that's how it came out. I'm just gonna keep it though, and I'm just gonna add some little decor here and there in the bathroom just to give it a little Christmas vibes. So stay tuned for that. So in case you're wondering, the J stands for Jeffrey and the K stands for Kerry. That's my pet name, as we say in Jamaica. That's what they call me at home. And yes, those were gifted from my kids, and apparently they probably didn't see any M for Marcy, so they bought the K. And I just use these two rugs to fold them together and create a fan and place them there. And then I'm just going to go in with this gold vase and add some red and gold and white flowers to that. And my daughter came up and frightened me in the bathroom, which was not cool, DK. So guys, I went in the thrift store trying to find something to revamp, and I came up with this wall candle holder. It was old and dirty, and I decided to clean it down, spray it in white, and
add some red candles. The candles were old as well, and I went in with my Mod Podge and my red glitter and glitter them. You can go check that video out. It's a short 1-minute video, so go and check it out if you can. And yeah, my cleaning has completed. Day 2 of my cleaning has completed. Thank you guys so much. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I really do appreciate you so much. You're a real one. And just go ahead and rate my cleaning from 1 to 10. Yeah, let me know how I did. And I also did a Christmas part 1 cleaning where I cleaned my living room, dining room, and my kitchen area. So if you haven't seen that video as yet, you can go check it out. And I also had a separate video that I decorate those areas as well, so you can go check that out as well. But yeah, this is the end of my day 2 cleaning and decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're here and you still haven't subscribed as yet, just please go ahead and subscribe. It's free of cost, and yeah, I would really appreciate if you do that, and if you hit the like button and the share button as well if you can. And thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and look out for another Christmas video. I'm not sure which video that is gonna be as yet, so just stay tuned. Make sure that your notification bell is on. And once more, I appreciate you all. To my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here with me. Bye guys, and have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget the reason for the season. Okay, bye.